Hi friends! Hi world! I'm here again and I'm going to talk about our Costa Rica adventure. To really say that half my life started in Costa Rica. Why? Because that's where I met my husband, and that's why we have this little cutie eating ice candy. I just let her eat this one. It's homemade ice candy with mango flavor. I will share the story how I arrived in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is in Central America. In Central America, technically, if you look at the map, it belongs to North America. I could say that it's a matter of fate and destiny. It was like 6 months after I came home from Egypt. As what I said in my previous video, that I also work with this Palestinian Jordanian family, and we transferred from Dubai to Jordan to Egypt. And then when I came home, I stayed in the Philippines for 6 months and had fun there. After that, I decided that I need to work again. And I just feel like maybe it's true. They said that once you try to work abroad, you will always want to go back. I mean, this doesn't apply to everyone, because I know some friends also that once they traveled abroad, they don't want to go back there anymore. They just want to stay in the Philippines. But in my case, different, because I feel like I tried when I stayed in the Philippines. I looked for a job, tried to be there, but it feels like I can't cope up with everything and with the people, something like that. It's different. So I decided to work abroad again. And then there's no agency in the Philippines that hires Filipinos to Costa Rica. No, it didn't work like that. I went online, I checked this aupair.com. When you open the link, you will say there like you're a family or you're an au pair looking for sponsors for. And then I go the other one, an au pair, and then you will see there different countries. There's instructions of how to do it. There are different countries, like almost all over the world. I actually put Denmark, Norway, Canada, USA, Turkey. I'm really like into Turkey even before, and Australia, New Zealand. Those are the countries that I put on my au pair. Costa Rica is not even one of them. It's European countries. But so this family, they're actually from Poland. So that's the reason why I found them, because they put their address Poland, and most of my country, country of my choices and my au pair is European countries. It happened really quick. We kind of reached into agreement. And then when I checked, Philippine passport is free visa in Costa Rica. And I was like, this is like a good sign already. So I go for it, and they're Polish family. And she only said, can you go to Costa Rican consulate to fix your documents, to do this, do that? And I said, yeah, sure. And it really happened that I was in Makati, and I lived really close to the Costa Rican consulate in the Philippines, Magallanes Street. And I lived in Guadalupe that time. So from Guadalupe, it's just like those train stop, I guess. Yeah. So I was like, this is a good sign. And then I still need to go to the DFA for red ribbon of my documents. Everything's easy. It's just like happened really quick. So in a week, I flew to Costa Rica. I mean, in 2 weeks. Philippines, we flew first to Taiwan, and then Taiwan she's eating ice candy from Taiwan to Amsterdam to Panama, then Panama to Costa Rica. And I arrived in Costa Rica at the immigration, there's no problem, and then this family picked me up there. So the very first family I work with in Costa Rica are Polish, and then the second one are Costa Ricans. When I decided not to work with them anymore, that was during Christmas time, December 22, when I decided to go to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica, and that's where I met my husband. Then I will show you some of our adventure in Costa Rica. Hope you guys will like it. We're here in Muntezuma, and it's still part of Costa Rica in the South Pacific. And if you can see the ocean, look, it's a really nice place. Well, anyway, we just arrived from Muntezuma Waterfall. That was like a tricky, kind of dangerous, but it was worth it.
What did you find?
I found a rock, and I've been a rock collector since high school.
You think there's a lot of valuable rocks around here?
Yes, of course. And here we go. This is Muntezuma, Costa Rica. You have to be careful. You might step on the dog.
Looks like you got a friend here.
Yeah, his name is Brown.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Hey babe, Sheila, where are you at?
I'm in Samara, Hostel Samara.
Oh yeah? What country is that in, babe?
Samara, Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica.
Oh, Costa Rica.
I want to put this inside.
Say bye to everybody.
See you later.
Bye bye. You talk, my girl, homie.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my son.
If you're new to our channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll keep you updated on our adventure. Team Spencer.